Right, so taking this demo file, so if I go into my documents, taking this demo file, which is here, you can see currently I've got my 3 lines in it. Okay, what we're going to do now is show you how to add to that file. So we could open the file with append mode, in append mode, which when I do f.write, I can write whatever I want and it will add it to the file. So if I run this, it will look like nothing's happened. But if I go back in, I need to close this and open it again. If I go back in and open the file, you can see, look, now the file has 1 more line. Now, technically, what we've done is we've added that to the end. We haven't actually added it as a new line. Now, one thing to probably introduce to you is there's a thing you can put in a string, which means go on to a new line, which is \n. So if I run this again, and then going, can you see how that next line went down onto the next one? But \n hasn't been included, look. So \n is a way of printing out, it's sort of like a secret code to knock you down to the next line. What else could we do? We could write to the file. Now, if we open it with write permissions, not append permissions, the downside of this is, with write permissions, is whatever you write will overwrite the current contents of that file. So if I run it, I have written, whoops, I've deleted the content in, but the content's gone. So if you open the file with write permissions, the contents of the file does disappear. All right, so you do use write, but just be careful when you're using it. That's basically it. You can obviously like write different lines, and there's some extra things. If you do, I think it shows you on here. So if you do f dot, you can see different things you want to do with the file when it's open. So you can see there's write, writable, write lines, but write will solve most of your problems. And if you need to look into anything individually, you can, but that's how you read and write from a file. And then it's just knowing how to get onto the new lines and things like that. Yeah.